about this newly established dance school. Natya Priya was founded in October of 2008 by Shobita Ravi, current senior disciple of Natya Kalavati Srimati Jayamani. Natya Priya was dedicated to preserving art, culture, and tradition among youth growing up in the U.S. Shobita is very proud of the progress made over the past year by each of the students performing before you today, and is confident that their appreciation for the art will only continue to grow. This being said, I would like to now introduce the last item for today's recital, which will be performed by the senior-most students of Natya Priya. The last item of today's program will be a Tilana called Gauri Nayaka. The Tilana describes Lord Shiva as Parvati's consort with the river Ganga flowing from his hair. The song names Shiva as Lord Nataraja, the Lord of Dance. Gauri Nayaka is in Kannada Ragam set to Adi Talam. The participants of this item are Ananda Agara, Anjali Prem Kumar, Amulya Yanam, Archana Ramesh, Harsha Mikulineni, Kirti Samantapuri, Manisha Nagabandi, and Sandhya Ravi. Immediately following the Tilana will be Mangalam. I would like to request all students to stay seated for Tilana and to please line up for Mangalam afterward. Thank you.
Jai